To set up a Rotary RT30, you'll need cutting pliers and either a forklift or an automotive lift. The first step is to scan the QR code on the package. This will take you to the product's virtual support page. Here you'll find videos, manuals, and information about your Rotary product. If you're using a 2-post lift to unbox your RT30, first raise the lift's arms to full rise. Then use a pallet jack to move the crate into position. Make sure to get as close as possible to the center of the lift. Next, cut the straps holding the crate top onto the pallet. Then remove the top of the crate and move it out of the way. Once the top is removed, cut the straps holding the repair table to the pallet. Now lower the lift until the arms will fit under the repair table. Then position all of the arms so that the adapters will make contact under the repair table. Once the adapters are in place, raise the lift high enough for your Rotary lift table to fit under it. Next, remove the pallet. At this point, roll your lift table under the repair table. Make sure the lift table is positioned in between the repair table's yellow centering guides. Now raise the lift table until it lifts the repair table off of your 2-post lift. You can see how the centering guides help position the repair table onto the lift table. Next, move all of the arms out from under the repair table. Now you can roll the repair table to anywhere in the shop. To remove it from your lift table, lower the repair table legs by pulling out on the pin and swinging the leg down to lock it in place. Once all the legs are down, just lower the lift table and pull it out from under the RT30 repair table.